To make a statement. You came out with the Purge mask, you came with Jadakiss, Champ is here. Why do you feel like you have to make a statement?
You know, at the end of the day, it's all about entertainment. So, you know, I gotta do my best to entertain the crowd, and then I gotta go in there and put a show with the Purge mask on. Came out with Jadakiss, one of the top 5 best rappers ever, and I came here and I did what I was supposed to do. It doesn't always happen in boxing.
At what point did you realize that this guy wasn't on your level?
You know, I thought he was gonna come out and box me. He did try, but I felt he was a little slow. So that's when I was able to close the distance and just throw my hard shots.
What did you tell him after the fight?
No, I just said, keep your head up, man. You came in here, you know, I'm definitely the bigger fighter than you. Just, you know, run off my name. Use my name as much as you can to get bigger fights in the future.
Did you get a chance to see Lamont Peterson's fight before yours?
Yeah, I seen it. It was a good fight. It was in a phone booth all day. It was an inside fight. It was a good fight.
He said he's interested in fighting you next. Are you down for that fight?
I don't think he would be interested after what he just seen compared to his performance and my performance, because we had the same kind of opponents. You know, we supposed to come in here and make a statement. He got the late round knockout, but if that's what he wants, we can do it.
What else can we expect next from you?
You can expect Danny Swift Garcia to just keep entertaining the crowd, and you know, from the ring entrance to, you know, to the walkout song, to the Instagram, to the Twitter, to my website, to my clothes. I'm just gonna keep on entertaining.
What did your father say to you after the fight?
Oh no, he said that's what you're supposed to do with them kind of guys, and I came here and did what I was supposed to do. And I'm happy, and like I said, it doesn't always happen. Upsets happen in boxing, so I came here and I did what I was supposed to do.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Danny, now we're gonna meet right here.
Estamos con Dani García. Dani, una buena pelea para ti, luego de una actuación. Pues la gente no le gustó mucho ante Mauricio Herrero. ¿Cómo te sentiste en esta pelea?
Esta pelea con Jerez Herrera, eso fue una pelea difícil, pero esta pelea me siento bien fuerte, y yo I came here and I did what I was supposed to do.
La gente criticó en la prensa que el rival que te escogieron no fue el adecuado para tu pelea en tu regreso, pero para ti no menospreciaste al rival. ¿Pero qué sentiste de volver al ring?
You know, like I said, like I told him, I came here and I did what I was supposed to do. It doesn't always happen in boxing, there's upsets. And I took nobody lightly, and I came here and I treated it like a big fight, and I got the big win.
Ya por último, Lamont Peterson te tiró el reto. ¿Estás dispuesto a pelear con él? ¿Cuándo sería eso?
If he wants to do it, let's do it. At the end of the day, I'm a fighter, and that's what I do.
Ahí estuvo.
Monstro. Fucking monster.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you.
You seem like you're out for blood.
Oh yeah, man, I came here to purge. I told everybody that tonight was going to be Danny Garcia's show. No matter who I fought tonight, and I was going to purge.
He beat Lucas Matisse and the story. Everybody.
Oh, no, I bought it yesterday and I got some really cool makeup on it. So, yeah, I saw it before the fight wasn't nothing like in the pocket fight all night, you know.